In front of me is Motorola Edge 16 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, launch settings and scroll to hit safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Hit change setting and make sure this switcher is enabled next to show unlocked, because without it your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen. So it's the first thing you need to check. Now go back and to add your contacts, select add contact and click on the one you wanna attach. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To manage them, hit reorder at the top right corner, hold one you wanna manage and drag it. Then hit save at the top right corner. To delete any of your contacts from emergency contact list, use this icon of an X on the right. Then choose remove. So now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I need to tap on emergency call at the bottom. Then hold blue icon and swipe it to the left to see my emergency numbers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!